Hello everyone, welcome to Kinglumi channel. I'm Annie. I used to change the beam angles by replacing the lenses. Using our zoomable checkhead turbo, you can change the beam angles more convenient and easy. Look, there are some angle scales. Turning the line cover, you can change the beam angles from 50 degrees to 24 degrees and up to 33 degrees. Besides, our turbo has 2-in-1 design for voltage adjustment between 25 watts and 32 watts, which can reduce your SKU. To meet the different needs of different markets, Turbo has many certificates, such as ETL FCC for North American market, CE Lows for Europe market, and SAA CTIC for Australian market, and so on. How attractive! You must want to know more about these features. Okay, let's move on. Turbo is available 2700 Kelvin, 3000 Kelvin, 3500 Kelvin, and 400 Kelvin. Track system. Turbo is compatible with Juno, Halo, Lightyear, and 2C2N track systems in the North American market. For Europe market, Turbo is compatible with 3 track systems: 4-wire, 3-circuit, 2-wire, 1-circuit, and 1-phase. It wants mentioning that Kinglumi's 4-wire, 3-circuit track adapter is compatible with the following track systems: Staff, U-Track, Nordic, Global, Newco, and Evala. The dimming way is triad dimming. In order to our track line can work with the track systems and dimmers in the local market, we will buy the track rails and dimmers from the local market for testing. High CI and regular CI for your option. Finally, texture white and texture black are ready for you. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.